were smart.
So we guys are traveling to Shillong market. It's a city, and यहाँ पे धूप था, but exactly I don't know. तो फटाक से weather change हुआ है. Being foggy, you can see that exactly. I can show you. पूरा फट से fog हो गया, and it's very cheap. You can see like people buying clothes for like 100 or 200 rupees. Yeah, I'm like okay. कितने का है भैया?
100 में दादा
100 रुपये का मतलब भैया. You buy it from here at the Tibetan market. Shoes you can see. कैसा है जूता? कैसा दिया?
1000
कितने का है?
जब लेंगे ना फोटो उठा रहा है
पूछ रहा हूँ मैं.
हम बात करेगा.
बोलो कितने का है?
This one
हाँ
1000 only fixed price है.
थैंक यू.
वेलकम.
माँ कसम इतना जल्दी चेंज होता है क्या क्लाइमेट? अभी धूप था इतना फटक से. ओह गॉड, इतना जल्दी क्लाइमेट कैसे चेंज हो सकता है? So we guys are at Shillong market, and yep, we're gonna travel. Let's see, hope for the best. Best experience of my life. You should at least visit Shillong for at least once in your life.
And we could be in love, lighting up the dark. But there's nothing I can do. I can never get to you. So I'm looking for a miracle. Like it's somebody be so beautiful, yeah. It's only a dream. It's how I feel. That you deserve better than me.
How much fog it is. Yeah, that much fog it is here. We've been traveling with Alisha, Tanveer, Anup, and also मेरा दाई Mount खतरा दाई खतरा जाके. I know a little bit of Nepali, so yep, I have been traveling like from past 2.5 years or 3 years, you can say exactly. Beach turned out to be very much foggy. My God! It's badly fog here, bro. It's badly fog here. You can see how the fog is coming out of my mouth. It's very much foggy. What's up? It's the second day in Shillong, and we are at Watts Lake, and we're gonna fly our drone over here and take some cinematic shot. We have already taken from our Zoom Gain and Mark 4 and 26-300, but we have not fly our drone. And drone abhi uda ke hum log cinematic shot lene wale. Let's see hope it comes well, and you can see the Watts Lake.
So pretending that you like somebody else, like you got boys waiting in line to take you home. But tell the truth, you'll spend the night alone. Let's be alone. So why don't we stay out till the morning light?
What's up? So we guys are here at Don Bosco, and it's around like 2:30, and we're gonna shoot some cinematic of Don Bosco also at Shillong.